I have a treat for you. I have a listing of a home in Scottsdale, Arizona that is absolutely adorable and beautiful in a desert oasis in the backyard. And the price point is very good for what you can get in Scottsdale, Arizona. Hi, my name is Nicole Black, your Arizona Realtor, and I would love to introduce you to 11145 East Janan Drive in Scottsdale, Arizona. You have beautiful mountain views from this area, gorgeously remodeled home. Let's go take a look. I hope you enjoyed that tour. It's just amazingly adorable, cute, and quaint, and so well done with the finishes. I absolutely loved it in that backyard for entertaining underneath that gazebo. So much fun. Beautiful home. If you have any questions about this home, please feel free to call, text, email me, whatever your preferred communication is. I will get back to you. I hope wherever you are in the world today, you're doing absolutely amazing. And never forget, we are always here for you.